In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an envelope in Microsoft Word. Whether you're sending letters for business, school, or personal use, Word makes it easy to format and print professional-looking envelopes without needing any extra software. First, open Microsoft Word and start with a blank document. You don't need to type anything in the main document area for now because we'll be working with the envelope feature. Next, go to the Mailings tab in the ribbon at the top of your screen. In the Create group, click on the Envelopes button. This opens the Envelopes and Labels dialog box, which is where all the envelope settings are made. In the dialog box, you'll see two main fields. The first is the delivery address, where you type the recipient's address. Enter the name, street address, city, and postal code exactly as you want it to appear on the envelope. The second field is the return address, which is optional. If you leave it blank, Word will either use the default address from your settings or leave it empty, depending on your version. Once your addresses are entered, you can click the Options button to customize your envelope. In the Envelope Options tab, select the size of the envelope you want to use. Word has standard sizes like number 10 or DL, but you can also enter a custom size if your envelope is unusual. Next, check the Font and Print Options tabs. Here, you can adjust the font style, size, and positioning of both the delivery and return addresses. Make sure everything is centered or aligned the way you like it. You can also choose whether to feed the envelope from the top or side of your printer, depending on your printer's requirements. After setting up the options, click OK to return to the main dialog box. If you're ready to print a single envelope, simply click Print. If you want to add the envelope to your current Word document for later printing or saving, click Add to Document. This creates a new page in your document formatted exactly as your envelope. And that's it. You've successfully created an envelope in Microsoft Word. You can now print it, customize it further, or save it as a template to use again in the future. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.